This was a TP. Man, this was nice. This was a nice trade. This was a nice trade, guys.
Oh, traders, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are good. As for me, it has been a crazy week. It has been the greatest week. It has been the golden week. I don't know how to express my joy, guys. But otherwise, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Trader Hekake. Today we are going to be talking about how my whole week has been. I'm gonna show you guys some trades that I've taken. Guys, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow me for more. Cause yeah, man, this channel we document my journey. We document my journey from A to Z. Nothing filtered, straight to the point. All the nuggets are given. Oh no, guys, you're going to enjoy this channel. You're going to enjoy this channel.
So, guys, this week I was trading cat JPY, and it's the only setup that I took. And I have a reason why I took that setup. I've came up with, I learned something new this week. Let me show you the setup. This was the setup, and then this is how it goes. This is where it started, right? Basically, I look at my 4-hour, tell me the overall trend, and I seen that the trend was going up. So I wanted to have some rejection on my 15 minutes. Then I realized the price has been going up, and then when I checked, this was just a retracement. There was a high possibility for price to continue up. What I did, I waited for price to come here, create some. Yeah, guys, I saw price came here, give us some 2 rejections, and then I entered, guys. I entered here, and after entering, I opened like 2%, and then my take profit, it was 1:3, 1:2 actually. So price went ahead and hit my TP. Man, I couldn't believe it. Like it was hit very fast. It was hit very fast. And another thing that I've learned, guys, you shouldn't rush to enter. You must wait for your candles to close. Immediately when your candles close, just enter, and then don't have any hesitation. As long as you have done all your back testing and strategy studying. To do the recap again, as I see, the market was going up, retraced, going up, retraced, going up. As you can see, guys, the market always does this: goes down, goes up, retrace. I waited for the market to retrace. Then I went to my 15 minutes chart on this retracement, and when the candle closed, that's when I entered, and then I waited for my TP to hit 1:2, and it was hit. This was the TP. Ah man, this was nice. This was a nice trade. This was a nice trade, guys. Ah man, I really enjoy it. TP way. So yeah, guys, and oh guys, I forgot to mention, the account now is above, I think we're about like 4%, if I'm not mistaken, or 3.8 or 3.9%, and we are left with, I think, 4%, 5%. We are left to 5% to achieve, to pass our phase 1. Yeah man, I'm very happy, man, that we are passing this phase 1. Hey, the previous account, it was gag, guys. It was something else. Yeah man. Yeah guys, so what I've learned this week is that you don't have to trade every day, guys. Like the market, just wait for the market to give you the opportunity. Don't force it, guys. Don't force the market, you see. Wait for the market to give you the opportunity, and not every week is a trading week. Some weeks are just a disaster. You just have to find something else that's gonna keep you busy. Don't force trade. And another thing that I've learned is, when you get your A+ trade and this trade is gonna pay, open that low size, broski. Open that low size. Don't die. Open that low size. Then the market will reward you. At the end of the day, it's about taking that big risk and getting that huge reward. That's what I believe in, guys. Yeah, guys. Right now, I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna go to my mobile device, and I'm gonna show you the trade that I took. And yeah, man, let's get into it. So if you like this type of content, my people, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to share. You need this, and those likes and shares, guys. Immediately when we pass this account and we get to like maybe 100k funded, I'm gonna do giveaways.